Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence with ProductKingCarib6. Today, we're poised on the precipice of a new technological epoch, an era where humans and machines aren't just coexisting, they're collaborating. We're exploring the untapped realm of prompt engineering, a groundbreaking skill that's fast becoming the linchpin of modern AI interaction. Imagine for a moment, standing at the helm of an AI interface, steering its capabilities towards your unique goals. Visualize the power of commanding AI to generate text, visuals, or even write complex code. This is no longer a dream. It's the reality that prompt engineering brings to the table. In this digital era, the power to create and manipulate AI is no longer reserved for the technocratic elite. From the dedicated programmer to the tech-curious beginner, prompt engineering not just accessible, but also inclusive. It can be honed by anyone, regardless of their technological prowess or professional background. At its core, prompt engineering is about communication. Clear, concise communication is the key to unlocking AI's potential. Harness this power, and you're not just operating an AI system, you're conversing with it. You're instigating dialogue, sparking ideas, and fostering a symbiotic relationship between human intuition and machine learning. With prompt engineering, the power to customize AI responses is in your hands. Whether you're fine-tuning customer service bots or crafting a personalized AI assistant, the possibilities are limited only by your creativity. It's the ability to explore the uncharted territories of AI functionalities, and discover insights that can transform industries, revolutionize workflows, and ignite a fresh wave of innovation. To understand prompt engineering is to redefine your relationship with technology. It's not just about acquiring a new skill, it's about harnessing a superpower. This superpower allows you to conceive, create, and command the AI of the future. It's about being in the driver's seat of the AI revolution, steering us towards a future where technology doesn't just serve us, but understands and learns from us. So are you ready to change the dynamics of your AI relationship? Are you prepared to take the reins and embark on an exhilarating journey of discovery and time to get started with ProductKingCarib6? Remember, in the world of AI, age is just a number. Experience, expertise, and the willingness to learn are the only prerequisites. Prompt engineering is not just your ticket to the future, it's your passport to a world of limitless possibilities. Welcome to the revolution.